How you doing?
This is an original, and it's titled Life Journeys Expressions, and I think it's self-explanatory. But so let's get started. I'm nobody but me. Must I repeat? No names, no titles can hold or slave me. After listening to thee, I must know the truth, cause he, me, and we seek. Not those that are weak, but those that are in need and ready to take a leap. Never been subject or just like a vulture, I must am like an eagle because I soar above the rafters.
You got this.
Yes.
Well, you got this. You got this.
I am is here, not there, the soul you long for and seek. Just seeing what your two created made eyes to see, we is enough to distinguish between the fake and phony lies. Trust is like music to my soul that soothes the wound that I chewed up, spit out, and some ate whole. If you who view and listen to this takes offense to this, then you're not ready and you're your own worst enemy.
Yes.
I don't need your help driving in my own decision-making lane. I am the mind, body, and soul. With God's grace, sharing with my people, we are a sane mind. I and you and me whole.
Yes.